Making a butterfly beaded bracelet and ring. Measure 12 inches of elastic and cut. Attach the bead clip to hold your beads. I am using acrylic pearl effect butterfly beads, and I have some mix 4mm beads. I'm going to use the blue, and I've also made a little ring which is exactly the same as making the bracelet, but obviously just the size of your finger. So we take our thread and just add the beads. I've just uploaded a tutorial on beaded flower rings. I'll put a link above if you want to have a look at that one. All the supplies are available on my website www.lowcostcraftsupplies.co.uk. I'll put a link in the description below. I also have these bows that would make nice bracelets or earrings. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I have lots of jewellery tutorials available. I'm making this bracelet just over 7 inches in length. I would love to see what projects you've been making. Leave a comment or a photo in the description below. Okay, so we remove the beading clip, give it a good stretch, and then we're going to tie. We do an ordinary granny knot, and then we do a surgeon's knot, which is like a granny knot but you put it through twice. I'll show you a photo. and then one for luck. If you want to, you can add a dab of glue on the knot. This is just nail glue. And there is our butterfly beaded bracelet. Just going to snip the ends off. And there's the matching ring. Great for a beginner jewellery project. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Take care. Bye.